Did you? Okay. Ready? What can you tell me about odd numbers? They never have pairs. Close. That's some of it. What more? There's a little bit more to it. Let's do this. If I do this, if I have 3, is 3 an odd number? Does it have a pair?
No.
Does it have a pair?
Yeah, one.
Ah, but
There's one left.
there's one left over. Okay, so what do we know about odd numbers? There's always going to be one left over. It'll have pairs. So everybody put up 9 fingers. 9 fingers. Can we make pairs with our 9 fingers? Let's see.
So, Michael gave us an example of an even number. He said 4.
There's one extra.
Is there anything left? Is 9 an odd number then?
Yes.
If there's one left,